Good evening, guys. Hope you all are safe and healthy. So let's start this strategy session. Yesterday, I have taught you regarding Google AdWord Planner, right? If yes, type yes in the comment section. So let me know this, guys. Are you really confused with the process of keyword research by using Keyword Planner? If yes, then I am going to show you a quick and easy strategy for doing keyword research. Great, guys. So let's start. So, guys, I'm in the Google. I'm just typing Ahrefs. I'm going to use Ahrefs tool for doing keyword research for free. Most of them know that Ahrefs is a paid tool and it is very costly, and it is also most popular tool in the world for doing SEO research. So let's open this. Is it visible to you guys? Let me know in the comment section. Great. So I am moving down to the Ahrefs website landing page. So here you can observe there are free tools like broken link checker and SEO toolbar and even keyword rank checker, keyword difficulty checker. So here are some free tools like keyword generator and even keyword difficulty checker. So in this strategy session, we are going to mainly use two tools. Those are keyword generator. I'm going to open it in new tab and also keyword difficulty checker. So here, guys, don't confuse with the tool. It is very easy. Just follow me. I have opened keyword generator tool, and it is completely free of cost. I'm going to select Google and I'm typing a seed keyword. It is, let us take chicken recipes. And I'm going to target Indian audience. So let's find the keywords. Boom, guys. Here are almost 100 keywords, 100 keyword ideas, which are long tail, and also we are knowing the actual search value we are going to get organically, and they are recently updated. You can see the updated, right? They are 3 days updated, 7 days updated, and you can also see keyword difficulty for almost 10 keywords. So yesterday I have told you that we are starting a blog and we should have a keyword competition density of 1 to 10. So we are going to concentrate on the keywords which have a keyword difficulty of between 1 to 10. So these are almost 100 keywords. You have seen these 10 keywords have the keyword difficulty, right? KD means keyword difficulty. So for only 10 keywords, the keyword difficulty is available. But you are not satisfied with the 10 keywords, and you are not supposed to write or you are not willing to write for these 10 keywords. So you want to know remaining keywords keyword difficulty like this. For all these keywords, you just want to know the keyword difficulty. So what we are going to do is now we are going to copy all these keywords. We are going to copy all these keywords and we are going to paste it in Google Sheets. I have already done it for you. You can see that, right? We have almost 100 keywords and I have pasted almost all. And I have told you that Ahrefs is giving keyword difficulty for 10 keywords, but you are not satisfied with any of these 10 keywords and you also want to know keyword difficulty for remaining keywords. So what you are going to do now is have pasted all the keywords and you are going to find the keyword difficulty for every keyword. So what we are going to do now is we are going to copy this. We are going to copy this and we are going to paste it in the keyword difficulty checker. It is also a free tool by Ahrefs. So we are going to paste this and we are going to target the Indian audience. Let's find the keyword difficulty. Awesome, guys. It has a keyword difficulty of 4 and it is very easy to rank. So here is the keyword difficulty for another keyword in which the keyword ideas doesn't have the keyword difficulty. You can see that we have searched for the keyword difficulty of South Indian chicken recipes, but actually we don't know the keyword difficulty of these keyword. What we have done is we have copied it and we have pasted it in the keyword difficulty checker and we have get the actual keyword difficulty and it is 4 and it is very easy to rank for us. So definitely this is the best keyword for us. And what we are now going to do is we are going to write article on South Indian chicken recipes. So tell me, guys, do you have any doubts regarding this strategy? Let me know in the comment section. Is it very easy, guys? Compared to yesterday's strategy, is it really easy? Great, guys. Awesome responses. So what's next? We have done keyword research and we should write SEO friendly article. And we are going to write SEO friendly article based on page SEO. And it is going to be explained by our friend Jitesh.
Yeah, good evening, audience. Yesterday you have asked for a basic article of 1000 words, and today I have did a keyword research using Ahrefs and I have written this article, and this is on Corona since because it's trending. So I'm going to explain how to figure out those keywords in your article. See, the first seed keyword I have used in article generator is Corona. I have typed Corona, so I have got 100 ideas and I have picked up Corona remedies as a primary keyword. And when I have checked the difficulty of this Corona remedy, the keyword, it has 0 difficulty and it is grabbing a traffic of 2.3k per month. So I have decided to insert primary keyword Corona remedies in my title H1 and ignore this H2 and H3. I'm going to explain it after a few minutes and check these rules. Primary keyword is used in title H1.
Jitesh,
primary key. Yes.
Sorry for interrupting. Let me show them quickly how we have searched for Corona remedies.
You show this to the, by using Ahrefs.
Yes, we are again going to keyword generator and we are typing corona. Boom, we have got almost 100 keywords. And if you observe the keyword difficulty for first 10 keywords, they are very difficult for us to rank. So what we can do is to choose a keyword. We just randomly choose corona remedies, which has a nice traffic volume. It is 2.3K per month. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to check the keyword difficulty in the keyword difficulty checker. So guys, you can clearly observe that the keyword difficulty of corona remedies is completely zero and it is very easy for us to rank. So that's how we have founded our primary keyword, that is corona remedies. Do you have any doubts? Let me know in the comment section. Sounds great, guys. So Jitesh, you can continue.
Yeah. Yes. Coming to the rules, read the rules. Primary keyword is used in title, H1. Primary keyword is used in introduction. Other than primary keyword, you have to choose two different long tail keywords which must have difficulty of less than 10 and traffic must be 500 to 5000, or it might be more than 100, because we are starting, the traffic must be more than 100 to 5000. And see here, how do you say I am sick? This is H2 that I have used, and the seed keyword for is sick. And the second one is National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences. It is I have used it as heading 3 in the middle of article, and its difficulty is 1 and traffic is 1.3K. In the same way, how Vivek showed you that how corona remedies was found. In the same manner, these two long tail keywords were also found in the same manner. Yeah, please move it up, Vivek. Yeah, see this. 5 corona remedies that will actually make your life better in this pandemic. See there, blue color text, corona remedies. I have used that primary keyword in title. And as I have said you in second session, your introduction should be the bright spot of your article. So in introduction also you have to use corona remedies. And here I have used as a bold text corona remedies. And this is the way we have to insert the primary keyword in introduction and this. And this document will be shared to you in WhatsApp. So don't worry, you can read the content and you can figure out how you have to start your introduction. And I'm going to explain the rules now. And see, after the completion of introduction, moving to the second heading, without following remedies, how do you say I am sick? Without following any remedies, how do you say I am sick? See, how do you say I am sick is a long time keyword which I have used naturally here. And this is heading 2. And remember guys, this how do you say I am sick phrase must not repeat in whole article. It must be used only once. Heading 2, long tail keyword, must be used only once in all 1000 words. And you have to start your body. And in introduction, I have made a promise that, see, I have used a 4P concept. In the last line, I thought I would like to share some remedies which I am following. Believe me that these are 100% working corona remedies. I have made a promise that these are 100% working remedies. And coming to body, I have started with a picturization that imagine like that, and here is the proof. And these are the 5 I have used. Papaya is one of the remedy, and I have placed an image. And the second one is a glass of water early in the morning, and I have started, it's not only a glass of water, there is something, and I have placed an image. And the third one is, as I have promised that I'm going to tell them 5 tips, I have inserted 5 tips in the body. Vapor inhalation, and I have explained the process and inserted a pic. And next, consume X. I have explained the topic and I have inserted a pic. And the fifth one is golden turmeric milk, and I have explained how to prepare the process of golden turmeric milk, and I have inserted a pic. And coming to the last, conclusion. And I have started a conclusion with my H3. And here see, National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences. This is our long tail keyword and it is H3. It has a difficulty of 0 or 1 and traffic of 1.3K. So as this is a fact, I want to convey my intention to the people as it is a fact. So I have placed fact check. I have put 5 dots and I have written this long tail keyword so that I can grab attention. And I have made a push that, and I have written about mental health and how to get rid of mental health by doing meditation, and I have pushed my product meditation. So this is the format. And see, the National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences is a long tail keyword. H3 is not used anywhere in the article. H2 and H3 must be used only once. You got it? And if you have any doubts, you can ask me now. And one more thing to say, the primary keyword corona remedies is used 3 times in the article. Vivek, move it up. See here once in introduction and slowly go up. And here once in corona remedies, and one more time I have used it. You have to use the primary keyword 3 times in your article, and it must occur naturally, not purposely. Yes, here once. And what all the things I have said, I have written the anatomy of this article at the starting of it. These are the rules, and this Word document will be shared in the group. So if you have any doubts now, you can clarify. You can ask. And I hope this is the easy process that you can follow from tomorrow to complete your project by getting keyword ideas and checking its difficulty. Yes. Yeah, Vivek, it's a nice response. Yeah, it can be more than 1000 words, but minimum is 1000. Long tail. Yeah, in heading 2 and heading 3, the long tail keywords should be used only once. Still any doubts? Yeah. Your title is H1. Before you start your body, H2. And the heading for the conclusion must be H3. So this is the landmark you are going. This is the mark you are going to put in your brain. Title is H1. Before starting the body, after introduction is H2. Before conclusion, H3. And H2 and H3 will not be repeated anywhere in the article. Yeah, I'll say again. What is the ratio of primary keywords? Only 3 times you have to use it. Or 4. Not more than 4. If it's more than 1000, then also you have to use only 4 times, not more than 4 times. Yeah, H1 is title, H2 is before body, H3 is before conclusion. Yes. After introduction and before body.
Any more questions, guys? If you have any doubts, please clarify it right now, because we are not going to conduct any more Q&A sessions or clearing your doubt sessions.
And one more thing, to generate the title H1 for your article, use block title generator and type the primary keyword there so that you can get your title. Yes, in block title generator. Vivek, it will be okay if you can show them.
Yeah, Jitesh.
After you confirm your primary keyword, you have to use block title generator to generate the title to get ideas.
Boom, guys. Here are the title ideas. You can definitely use them. Any more doubts, guys? No, Meenakshi, you are not going to buy Ahref. We are going to use only free tools. Show you once again. So we have entered into the landing page of Ahrefs. Go down to the footer of the website. You can see the free tools. Here, is it visible to you guys? So in the free tool sessions, you are going to use keyword generator and also keyword difficulty checker. Any more doubts, guys? So guys, first let us thanks our Jitesh because he made all his efforts to write a sample article for you guys. But I don't want this article to be only sample. As a token of compliment for Jitesh, I am going to upload this article in our blog. So let us definitely thank Jitesh for writing such a nice article.
Yes, thank you, Vivek.
Great, guys. Any more doubts? Okay, guys. Then we can sign off. Okay, Jitesh, we can sign off.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for paying your attention and engaging till the end of the session. Thank you so much.